See it played squad battles, Spanish Civil War, Somosierra Pass 4, playing the Republicans, turn 1 of 15, support is available. Let's see. What I'm going to try to do, first of all, I always turn on the used movement points button, but now I'm going to see if I can get to the, there it is, the scenario description. It's very short actually, but July 26th, 1936, Somosierra Pass. As the military uprising failed, General Mola's forces based in Navarra began a series of operations. One of such operations targeted Madrid. Mola intended to approach the capital through the northern Sierras. The success of Colonel Garcia Escamez' enveloping movement brought a change in the tide at Somosierra. Now it was up to the Republican forces to stage a counterattack and try to recapture the pass. Okay. I guess that gives us a little bit of context and background. Okay. 1400 hours, 26th of July 1936. Republican turn 1 of 15. Normal conditions. Okay. So we are going to move out, and again, take a look at the jump map. Here are the Republican forces. Yeah, Republican forces, and here are the 8 objectives centered on the village. Let's turn the labels on. Somosierra village there. It's kind of a long north-south village, running along. What do they call this? I think they call it a trail. Yeah. Which I guess is just off the road here, the primary road, running mostly north-south. Okay. Yeah. No enemy observed. We have these improved positions here. What do we got? We have about 11 or so improved positions here. Other than that, a bunch of cratered hexes. Okay, so let's, and we do have our indirect fire. We have our mortars. We have 50 millimeter mortars, and somewhere over here, somewhere, is it there? We have, no, where is it? It is, where'd they go? I thought we had oh, there it is. Yeah, I was looking for the heavy weapon symbol, the bar on the left-hand side of the unit counter there, but it was, I guess it blended in with the trees in the background there. So that's what I was looking for. So you see the here, you can see the black bar for heavy weapons. So they're 50 millimeter mortars. Here's another black bar, so you know that it is a 50 millimeter mortar. Here's another black bar there on the background there, in the background there, and that's the medium machine gun, etc., etc., etc. That's what I was looking for. So we do also have 81 millimeter mortars. As a matter of fact, I'm wondering, and I'm going to check, do the 81 millimeter mortars have different, what do you call it, weapon loads? Oh, yes, they do. Okay. Oh, we have smoke, finally. Finally, I get some smoke. Okay, so the 81 millimeter mortars appear to have smoke in HE. I doubt the 50s have smoke, but let's take a look anyways. I doubt, but yeah, okay, the 50s don't. So the 81s do. I would not expect the 50s to have that. No, okay. But the 81s do. So question in my mind is, do I use smoke early? Do I use smoke? I mean, these improved positions, well, I'm going to treat them as occupied until I know otherwise. Let's see how far they can see. They can see, yeah, I guess it's because of the, I don't know if it's rolling terrain, but we have we actually have quite a bit of terrain changes on this map, from very low down here to very high up here and way down here. And let's see in this corner, what are we up to? What are we up to there? 1480, yeah, so 1460, 1480. Yeah, so we just have a lot of terrain changes, elevation changes. So, well, you know what? I'm going to try that. I'm not sure I've tried. I don't think I've tried. Oh, this will be interesting. Can these mortars fire from trees? Hex? Well, I guess let's find out. I don't think I have. Let's see. Okay. I'm assuming that means that it's loaded now with HE. So let's try to change this. Command, select weapon load. Let's change to smoke. Now, does it change? Yes, it does. SK for smoke. Okay. So the 81mm mortars are loaded with smoke, and that's interesting just for myself. This is my very first time, I think. I don't think I've played with mortars smoke yet in squad battles. So, first thing I note is that changing weapon loads does not appear to cost movement points. So there's that. Now, what can we do? Where can they? Oh wow, they can see all the way. Isn't that interesting? They can actually see to. I wanted to put smoke in front of the position there, so that will work. I mean, to have their own line of sight, I mean. So if I move out with these guys around here, the improved positions are at 1420 meters elevation, and 1420. This is all 1420 here. Then it goes down to 1400, down to 13. Okay, so they're looking up. So I do want to put. I think I do want to at least experiment with putting smoke in front of the improved positions. So let's do it. Select the mortars and let's see. Why? Huh? Why did it not? Oh, maybe they can't fire it from the woods terrain. Huh. Well, let's. Is there's another 81. They can see to the same point there. I want to drop it right in front of this improved position. I'm going to change this one to smoke too, but this is one of those situations where I need to remember that they're on smoke and not accidentally fire smoke in the future when I think I'm firing EG. Okay. Alright, it's still selected. It is loaded with smoke now. That's the SK there. So I get the firing reticle, and it does not fire. Okay. Well, let's experiment with one of these, with moving one of these. I know what, they could move to the brush there. Let's try that. Okay, so we grab the crew there. Let's have them go up and have them move there, okay? And they have one fire left right there. So they're still on smoke. So let's see. They can still see that point. Huh. They still don't fire. Boy, this is embarrassing. This is very embarrassing. Why do they not shoot? The asterisk there, fire 1 asterisk. I think the asterisk just means it's indirect fire weapon. What is going on? Why does it not fire? Oh well. I guess I'm not going to change anything. I'll put them down. That's not going to change. Don't tell me they can't fire from that would not make any sense. Well, let's experiment with this one. Well, no, those are fields. Fields are terrain-wise apparently not any different than brush. That's really that is really don't like that. Don't like that at all. What is going? Well, okay. You know, I didn't look at the message section down here. So let's one more time, and then if it doesn't work, okay, I'm gonna look at the message. Current site has no smoke allowance. What? What? Why does it say smoke there then? Is that... Why list smoke here if they don't have smoke? And why let me select that weapon load when it's not there? I don't know if I have that right, but alright, just... That's... Alright, well... Alright, well there's another thing I wanted to experiment with. I guess I'll do that. Select that back to HE. Jeez. That is... I don't even know what to say. What I'm wondering about, I don't think I've done this yet, and that's fire blindly at a hex. So I'm more curious than anything. So the 81mm mortar is still selected, loaded with HE. What happens when yeah, it does fire. I guess I do. I kind of like that, actually. I mean, being able to fire blindly like that. So that's that. They're done. That is that's very disappointing. That you know, obviously I'm going to change them back to HE. That's ridiculous. Yeah, HE. All right. Another thing I've been wondering, they can't see. They cannot see to the improved positions there. So let's see. All right. Well. All right. Let's try this. Here is a 6-man squad with grenades and a 5-man. I guess a crew. Crew for the medium machine gun there. So I'm gonna put them. Actually, they can't see much. Well, I guess they can see over there, but they're not covering for movement over here. So let's see. A lot more thought wrapped up in this already than I thought. Yeah, right. Let's start moving. It's probably not good that I'm getting impatient. Yep, down. Kind of down. Wait. No, we're not going down. We're going up. So they're looking. Yeah, across kind of this. I mean, I don't even know if you'd call it a hillside, but this sloping ground, I'll say. We're looking across this sloping ground to those improved positions. All right, so try moving. What? Why? What is going on here? Why did they move 1 hex? They're not down. What's going on here? Is that... I don't even know what to say. 20 meters. It's not that steep. Man. Alright, let's try this again. 16. And they're I bet they're not, yeah. Really? So they're up against this. You know, this might be where I've talked about how much I like this series. There are two things, I'll just mention them but not discuss them. I don't like, this is a computer game. There should be no necessity to have pancake terrain. None. There should be able to have real sloped, what do you want to call it, vector design, I guess. This looks like a very bad do I have that right? I think I do. This is at 1380. It goes up to 1400, goes up to 1420. So they're not in the they're not in the corner of a step here. It's just sloping up. I understand they wouldn't be able to necessarily, and actually I don't think this is automatic either, but okay, I got it. Maybe they don't see these guys, but why are they not seeing this hex right here? Other than an exact, basically, translation of tabletop hex encounter paper map design to the computer, which makes no sense. And the other thing to mention, as much as I really like the series, it makes no sense to have an exact translation of paper tabletop hex encounter firepower, where you have firepower X out to range Y and 1/2 X out to twice Y. I mean, that's makes no sense. This is a computer game. This could have real, well, I'll tell you what I'm expecting. If it's a computer game, I'm expecting range attenuation, real range attenuation to the fraction of a percent, basically percentages out to fractions. Yeah, I'm not expressing that well, but all right.